It's time now for better food. Have you ever tried Lebanese food?
It's yummy. Today we're learning how to make a shawarma sandwich and a manouche, a Lebanese pizza.
Paula Atala, the co-chair of the annual Taste of Lebanon, and Helen Atala, who is a volunteer at the festival, are joining us with how we can get started. Of course, we mean Lebanon because there's Lebanon in Connecticut, but either way, the food is, if people aren't familiar with it, it's filled with like lots of aromatic spices. It's very good for you, right?
Yes, I mean, we pride ourselves in the fact that most of our ingredients are hearty and fresh. There's options in Lebanese food for everybody, whether you're vegan, you're vegetarian, you're a meat lover. There's something for you in our culture, so we pride ourselves on that.
Good.
What do you want to start with?
I can make a manouche for you.
A manouche. So this is it's like a Lebanese pizza.
Yes.
Okay, how do we get started?
So we're going to throw on some olive oil with some sesame seeds and some oregano. This is called zatar. So it's made basically, it's kind of like a spread that we throw on a manouche. We also have cheese. There's also a meat version of it. So like I said, if you are a vegetarian, you would go maybe for the cheese or for the zatar type of manouche. But if you are a meat lover, we do have the meat version right over here. It's made with beef, tomatoes, onions, lemon juice. It's really, really good.
And what's this here?
So this is shawarma. So this is the beef shawarma. If you know what a Greek gyro is, it's kind of cooked very similar to a Greek gyro. So
I always say the word gyro. Gyro, gyro. I know people, maybe I grew up in Boston, that's where I don't know.
Well, yeah, I mean, in the Detroit area, which is has a huge Middle Eastern population, they say gyro. So does it just depend? What's the right
I mean, I'm not Greek. It might be gyro. It might be gyro.
I've heard gyro as well. Gyro,
maybe.
Gyro, and gyro.
So on the pizza here, you've got sesame seeds. What else is there?
This is usually on gas form of a grill, a circle one, and this dough we cook on it, the manouche.
Okay.
So we put the dough on, we spread the
It's like
meat.
a thin pita too. So for those of us who are maybe people who are not wanting to eat too much in the white department, you can have pizza on. It's like a thin crust pizza, and we're going to be able to have this at the festival.
Oh, of course. There's going to be so much more than just this. We have some of the basics like grape leaves, tabbouleh, hummus, kibbeh, falafel. We have all the good stuff that most people are familiar with. We do have some other dishes that people tend not to know about. Loubia, which is like a green bean dish. So there's lots to choose from.
And we've been hearing a lot of great things about Mediterranean food in the last couple of years. The Mediterranean diet's supposed to be healthier.
It definitely is.
Why is that, you think?
Because we use a lot of our recipes are based with vegetables, or they're based with, we don't use too much heavy sauces in our cooking. We use a lot of, olive oil and lemon juice and garlic and, a lot. If not every single dish has some sort of a vegetable in it, then I would just be wrong.
You get like a complete meal. So Dennis, would you like to help make the shawarma?
Yes, how do I do the shawarma? So
let's do the shawarma.
I've never made a shawarma before.
But this is something that people are more familiar with because a lot of college campuses will have places where you can get shawarma, and it's basically a thin pita and really wonderfully seasoned meats, right?
This is the pita, and you make this yourself.
How about you make the chicken, and I can make the meat.
It's very thin.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, so then
Actually, we're gonna go on this one.
Are we gonna do two of them?
Yes.
One chicken, one beef.
One chicken, one beef. This is the beef.
This is the beef.
Yep. Put the beef on.
Right in the middle?
Yep. You can just stack it like that. Spread it this way. Yep. And a little bit more here.
Oh, it's hearty. You put a lot in there.
Yep. That's plenty.
That's good. And do I spread it out, or?
Here we go. Just like that. So
in the middle. Okay,
because we wrap it.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. Okay.
And
next.
then you can put the vegetables. We put mixture of lettuce and parsley.
Put some lettuce.
So if we want to have that flavor at home, all you did is chop up lettuce and put parsley.
Can I put some beans in there too?
For the seasoning?
Yeah, those are actually pickles.
Oh, pickles. Oh, I love pickles. I'll put that in there.
Those are pickles, and we have tomatoes and parsley.
Tomatoes. I know they're not.
There's a lot of manual labor with these useless tongs. There we go.
Oh, Dennis loves pickles.
Yep.
And then tomatoes too?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
So, do you want to make the chicken one?
Sure. I'll try the chicken one. I'm going to trade spots with you, Dan. I'll put the chicken over here.
Oh, sorry. You put this.
So I put the tomatoes.
And this is the sauce that you're going to use.
Is this like tzatziki?
It's like a tahini, almost like a tzatziki, except it's not really cucumber based. It's just tahini based, and it has some lemon and olive oil, of course.
Ooh,
the other day on Dr. Oz, he was talking about how the correct pronunciation, he's Turkish, isn't he? I think, but he was saying that the tzatziki is actually pronounced tzatziki.
Oh, the tea is silent.
Maybe.
The tea
Would you
silent.
like me to
And
put
what's
the
this
same
here?
stuff on the chicken?
Yep, and then you're actually going to use, she's actually going to use this one. This is a garlic paste. It's called toum.
Oh, I love garlic.
Lebanese people eat toum with everything.
So I couldn't
That's
put it
why
in
you're
there
also
then, right?
healthy, because you're getting all this
I mean,
garlic.
if you want to throw
and-
some cheese on there, usually you don't throw cheese on that, but
No.
I think
You're a
that's just
cheese
for
lover.
the pizza.
Yeah, no cheese.
Okay, but this is called toum?
You know, I'm going to add some
Yes.
toum to
Yes.
this because I like.
All right, in our final 30
Garlic
seconds,
in
I'm
there.
going to use this
This
spoon
is
also.
just plain garlic
And how do I wrap it?
with oil.
so you're going to wrap
actually.
it the long way. So you want to fold the bottom in,
Fold the bottom in like that.
Okay.
yep, and then you're going to fold it, rolling it this way.
So
Fold
fold these
both
in and
sides
then
in?
roll them
You
like
can roll
that.
one side so that,
Okay, and then just roll like
yep,
this?
roll it shut.
Kind of like a burrito.
Yes.
It's a
That's
Lebanese
exactly what
burrito.
it is.
Every culture has a way of wrapping food.
Yeah.
All right,
Oh, these look amazing.
We're running out of time, so we have to try it. So good.
Good?
I'm trying not to eat too
Glad you're
much
enjoying it.
with the cameras, but it's delicious.
I'm glad you guys like it.
Again, the Taste of Lebanon is this Friday and Saturday, June 7th and 8th at Our Lady of Lebanon Maronite Catholic Church. That's on East Mountain Road in Waterbury. For more information, you can visit the church's Facebook page. Ladies, thank you so much. This
Yeah,
was
thank you.
amazing.
Great way to
Really
get
amazing.
outside, take
Thank
the
you
whole
guys for having
family.
us.
Delicious.